That one is gonna attach everything. All I wanted is just to unbox it. Hey guys, Moto Lifestyle here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys for clicking, and thank you so much for always coming here to watch my videos. Guys, it's 2025. Happy New Year! One of the things that I've been dying to get is called a spin scrubber. Guys, do you know what a spin scrubber is? A spin scrubber is something that is going to make your life easier this coming 2025. Oh well, this is what's called a spin brush. Look at that. This brush, they say, I have been seeing it in the commercials and people posting videos about it. Especially I bought this for my bathrooms, guys. I am so tired of scrubbing my bathrooms. My back hurts. I don't like that. So that's why I got this thing from one of the stores here. I thought of ordering this thing from Amazon, but I found it at Costco, which is a department store here in the US. So I got it from Costco and it was actually $49. So today I am going to unboxing for you. Wait a minute. I'm not gonna unbox it by myself. Of course, my son is here, is going to help me to unbox this.
Hey guys.
Welcome to Moto Lifestyle. Introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Jordan.
Speak louder.
Hi, my name is Jordan, and this is my mother. Today we'll be unboxing this cordless spin scrubber from Costco.
So my son is gonna help me to unbox this. Guys, meet my son. Oh my goodness, 2025. Move a little bit back because they can't see your head. Yes, mommy has locks and my son has locks. Yeah. We're going to, my son, actually, let me tell you about my son. My son has been having locks for the longest. Look at it, the locks here. But this year, my son is going to do what?
I'm gonna cut them.
He is going to cut his locks. Oh my goodness. But guys, that video will be coming later where my son is going to cut his locks because he's saying he's done. He doesn't want the locks anymore. But today's video, we are going to unbox this.
Yes.
Okay. So I don't know. So my son, help me.
Let's see. It's tape.
Yeah. So my son is helping me, guys, to unbox this, and we don't know how it works, but I hope we are going to figure it out. If you remember my son, I did a video with my son long time ago. You scroll on my videos. My son was helping me to unbox the swimming pool, the above, it was called above the ground pool that we had, and that video did amazing, guys. You can go to my video, scroll down there and find a video that says above the ground pool. My son is the one who was helping me unbox that video. By then he was a little bit younger. Now he's grown. As you can see, mommy is short. Guys, make sure you like this video, you comment as we unbox. Do I need to get scissors?
No.
All right. So this thing spins brush. People are saying that, oh, this thing is gonna make you a wife. Oh my goodness, look at that. So it's a experience, swift power, and versatile cleaning. Oh my goodness. My goodness, look guys what it has. Let me show you my son. Look in here. This is how it looks like. So we are going to take it out. What is this, my son? Yeah, you hold it. Oh my goodness. I hope this is what it comes with. This bag here. I wish this bag is actually to put, I guess, these little brushes here. It has some brushes. This is another brush. It's black in color. I'm thinking this is for putting all these brushes in here. It has this one brush. So we're gonna figure it out. Oh, it sticks even here. So it sticks here and this goes in here, but we're gonna show you how it works. And also you have some small brushes. What do you think, Jordan?
Looks very useful.
It looks very useful. Look at these little tiny brushes here. Oh my goodness. And also, what do we have? Speak louder. We have these
Looks like The head attachment? Or maybe the battery?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a battery.
It's a battery and it's an attachment. So it's black in color and we have something here.
This is just the manual. Instructions, how to set up, how to use.
We have something here as well.
And then I'm assuming this is the charger cord.
Yes.
Little wire.
And there's some things in here, some more brushes. They have some more brushes here.
More brushes.
More sponge.
Yeah.
Wow, guys. Oh my goodness. This time we are not going to clean. Even my son is going to use the same brush. They are not going to be cleaning their bathrooms anymore. They're not going to be struggling. Guys, I'm serious. This thing is so good. So let's figure out how it works. So let's put the box here. I'm thinking maybe they take this off. It's the attachment, guys. Coming 2024, 25, a new year. I guess that's an attachment.
Yeah.
Probably this goes one of the holes down here. Don't you think so?
Yeah. Okay, this goes here, maybe.
Maybe.
Don't want to force it.
Yeah, we don't want to force it. So I'm thinking this is a.
No.
Let's try to we're trying to figure it out, guys. We need to read a manual, but we just wanted to open it for you. We wanted it to be an 8 minutes thing, like. So.
I think this was this.
Yeah. I think you twist it. It can go in. So guys, yeah, definitely we need to read the manual and see. Look, this goes.
Let's see.
It goes in there. Yeah, we are trying, but this thing actually is going to make our lives easier, guys. Very easy to do. So it's still a new thing. We are going to figure out how to do it, of course. So right now we don't know which one goes where, which brush goes where, but it looks like they go in here. Actually they go in here. All you have to do is to line it up, I'm thinking, right? Oh, this brush goes in here.
So brushes go to the head of the battery.
My son, see the goodness of having a son. He figured it out.
And this part,
oh my goodness.
Oh.
It could be going in there. Goes in there. Oh my goodness. It goes in there. And where is the? Do they have the like something to turn it on?
On. Yeah, it's an on button.
Yeah.
So press here, turn it on. I don't know if it has charge right now.
I think.
Oh,
It's on. Look at it. Show them. Look, guys. Wow. No wonder they call it a spin brush.
wow.
So whenever you're brushing your bathroom, whatever. Oh, guys, it goes so fast. And here you have some levels. You can go higher, you can go slower. Okay, look at that. So you are going to go, and it's long actually. You can just pull. Oh, look.
It's extendable.
It's extendable. Look at that. So my son, when he's going to wash his bathroom, you just gonna go like. And the good thing, if you are going to do the corners, these things, brush, I think is for the bathroom corner. You see in there where they have mold or whatever, you are going to use this brush and actually the other one, and you can remove this. Can we turn it off?
Yeah, hold it.
Oh, you hold it a little bit in seconds and you turn it off. Oh my goodness, guys, we are trying to figure it out. All right, my son is attaching and then he's putting a sponge. You could put a sponge. Yeah, in a soft. Look at that. Show them. Show us the camera. Look at that. Wait a minute. Look at that. I'm loving this thing. So my bathrooms are going to be amazing, clean, and you can switch this. And let's put this small thing here. Small one here. So we see how we're gonna clean the corners of the bathroom. So, and it's so easy when you attach it. Wow! Look at that. So this whenever, you just go sharp corners in there, the bathroom, and it's going to be amazing. So, wow! So what do you think, son?
This is a very, useful tool for any and every corner of anything you need to clean. I would suggest you buy this. And it's gonna help me clean my room, my bathroom, etc. And yeah.
So what do you think? What do you tell my subscribers?
I think you guys should take my mother's advice and find something like this to clean your house.
And we are not promoting this, but it's something that we bought and we are telling you how good it is, okay? And what do you tell my subscribers about Umoto Lifestyle? What they supposed to do?
You guys should like, comment, and subscribe to my mother's channel. This is 2025, so let's have a great year.
All right, so my son, as you heard, he said, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and it's gonna be, they're gonna be appearing on my channel here and there. As you say, as I told you, this year is gonna be a change here. We're gonna be authentic. We're gonna be bringing you content back to back. We want you guys to grow with us. So let us go in the bathroom. But we're gonna just leave you here. Next time we're gonna show you in the bathroom how we use it. But today we just wanted to unbox and show you all these things with the help of my son, how they work. Guys, from us to you guys, we'll see you in the next one. Say bye bye, my son. Bye. See